Baby Safety Toilet Lock, 3M Adhesive Swing Shut Toilet by Cozy Life is one of the best sellers among baby bathroom safety products. Buy one get one by the manufacturer's baby toilet lock, you'll get one safe cabinet lock. Suitable for securing a full range of kitchen appliances, cupboards and drawers. Keep your child out of unsafe items. Keep baby healthy. The manufacturer's toilet lock prevents babies from opening the lid, throwing things in the toilet and getting their hands on dangerous germs and bacteria. Great for pet owner. The toilet lid safety lock will keep your pet away from the dirty toilet water when you're not at home. No toilet water, a clean healthy pet, a true companion. One hand release operation. This toilet lid safety lock is special designed to operate it with one hand, quick and easy to open for an adult hand, but very difficult for a child to open. The manufacturers guarantee if there's any problem with the manufacturer's kid safety toilet lock, free to contact them for solutions. Firstly, the manufacturer's team promises you with a 30-day hassle-free money-back or prompt replacement for the baby-proofing toilet lock. Please be confident of your purchase.